Hey everybody, this is Chris with Luki Bike Adventures, and I'm here at the Grace Lee Boggs School in Detroit. I forgot to bring a tripod, so this will have to do. But this is a really cool school. They have a lot of cool programming. The community, at least that I've met so far, has been very involved and friendly and nice. It's very diverse. If my son were younger, I would love for him to go to the school, but he's in high school now, so no can do. But look at this gorgeous park that they have. It's awesome, and I think they do some gardening here. But I'm here today, and this is actually the second day that I'm here, fixing bikes. And so the idea is that the kids can bring their bikes to school. I work on them while they're in school, and then they can ride them home, is the idea. Walk the bikes here, ride them home. So we fixed up some kids' bikes yesterday, and I think maybe one adult bike. And then some of the teachers and parents also wanted to get their bikes fixed. So I'm back working on adult bikes today. And it's been fun, you know, and I'm out here, and this is where they do recess. And so they come over and ask questions, or just watching them play while I'm fixing their bikes up. It's been a lot of fun. And a couple of kids got bikes. There was one girl who won a raffle, so she didn't have a bike, got one. Another little boy upgraded. He outgrew his little 18-inch bike, and I was able to trade him up to a 20-inch bike that I brought, a refurbished one. And so he was really happy, and you know, a few kids were just riding around after school and this nice grassy area. And this is where we had a workshop last year, teaching bike safety, and we played like some different games. We went on a ride, trying to teach some kids how to ride. And this is actually where the idea of having these mobile pop-ups originated, because this was the only event we did last year that we didn't bring bikes for kids to ride. I think I brought a couple, but the expectation was, because we were in a neighborhood, that the kids would bring their own bikes. And, you know, we'd ride around and do some stuff. And once they got here, I realized every single bike needed repair. They were in rough shape, every single one. I was able to fix all of them for the most part, at least get them working a lot better than they were and safe to ride, except for one. And I ended up taking that one home to work on. And so it made me realize, like, hey, there's a surface here that needs to happen. These kids need their bikes fixed, and maybe bike shops are not accessible, maybe they're not affordable, maybe they're not, maybe the parents don't even know that they need to have their bikes fixed. But whatever the reason, you know, here's a service that needs to happen. So we're back here doing some pop-ups, and let me show you some of the giveaways we got in the Boggs box. So we're giving away some of these guys, same as we did last year, that the League of Michigan Bicyclists gave us a bunch of these. But we also got from them, they have a light program where they're giving away headlights, and they're nice headlights. Whoops. So let's see, it looks like the Downriver Fund is helping out with that, and highway safety planning. And so we're also, everyone who gets their bike fixed, particularly the adults, gets a light set. Isn't that cool? These are USB rechargeable. They're made by Planet Bike. I want to say they're like $40, maybe even $60 if you were to buy them. But the League of Michigan Bicyclists is trying to get everyone riding safely, and part of being safe is having lights. So white light in the front, red light in the back whenever you're riding after dark. Being visible and being seen is one of the most important things you can do to stay safe, especially if you're riding like in the streets. The next thing you need to do is wear a helmet. Do those two things, and you're going to be exponentially safer while you're riding. All right, one of these days I'm going to make a video showing you my new setup here, but I'm really liking it. I can organize a lot of stuff And I'm pretty disorganized, so anything I can do to kind of help with my organizational skills is awesome. But this is made by, actually I'm going to be putting those on right now. But it's a pretty cool setup. I'm enjoying it. But I've only had it for maybe a week, so I'm going to have a little bit more time, and then I'll do like a review or something. But so far, thumbs up. Alright, so this is what we're doing. It's still early, but I should probably get started because I've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 bikes to fix before school gets out. Alright, thanks for watching, and thanks for all your support, and I'll see you guys next time.